My name is Reza Effendi. My surname is Reza. I was born in Kediri, 22nd October 2001, and now I'm 18 years old. I'm studying in Ciputra University, and my major is about tourism and hospitality business. Why I choose that major? Because I want to build my own business on that major, and I want to make village destination in my city, in my village. Yeah. And I'm the second daughter from 3 children in my family. I have one elder sister, and I have one elder sister and one younger brother. And I like to do social activity, and I already have social organization which is about gender equality, and the name of my organization is Keeper Bola Ceria, and that's mean is keeper bola is kita perempuan boleh berlaga, girls can do anything. And I think that is enough for my introduction. Now I want to tell you about my family. I have small family and they live in Kediri. I live with my parents and my siblings. Now my mom in my village, but my dad is in Australia. He works at there from 5-6 years ago until now. And actually, I raised from social family. I mean, my dad was leader in my village for 15 years, and now my mom continue it. Because of that, I really like to do social activity. And about my siblings, I have one elder sister. Now, the name is Effendi. Now she study in the Kediri. The university is Kediri Universitas Kediri, and he attained about law. And then I have one younger brother. His name is Arjuna Effendi. Now he studied in primary school in Kediri also. And I really love my family because my family always supports me, always give me motivation and give me energy. I don't have motivation to continue my life. About my hometown, yeah, I live in Kediri. Kediri is the amazing hometown, and as you know, Kediri, even though Kediri is small city, Kediri is the large city in the East Java after Surabaya and Malang for the population. And Kediri popular with tobacco company, and the name of the company is Gudang Garam. And also Kediri have other company which is popular, that is about sugar in the city. And Kediri has many tourist destinations, such as natural destination, cultural destination, religious destination, and education destination. Everyone in Indonesia know about Kampung Inggris, which teach about Kampung Inggris because Kampung Inggris is the best place if you want to learn English. And as you know, we are learning about English in Kampung Inggris. Yeah. After that, Kediri is popular with the delicious food, and I want to tell you about some food. If you already visit Kediri, you must try it. That is pecel. It's the sauce from nut, and you need to try it. It's really delicious. I think that is enough for me. Thank you for your attention.